So how do you change someone's name and photo on the Messages app on an iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you are texting with someone, you can see that you are interacting with that person, and you can always tap on that profile picture at the top, and you can see a bunch of different things in here, like the information, the settings for backgrounds and links and whatever. But you can always tap on the edit button in the top right corner. So this will let you edit the contact information. So like their contact page is going to appear, so you can see their picture, their name, and you have the ability to edit it all right here. So you can change their first name, last name, company, right? You can edit the photo, the profile picture, which appears, right? And also all of the other things in here as well. Right, so naturally you can also just find it within the contacts application, because that's like the same place, because you can go to your contacts like this and check out their situation of whatever is going on in here, right? So you can edit their profile picture and all of the things which you might need to change, which of course includes the name as well. So that's it from me. It's just a quick guide on how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in those tutorials and videos.